This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look here. I'm going to show you an example of a stock that had a big run. This video being recorded June 10th, 2021. Let's take a look here. And this is separated by 19 years. 19 years. Ish. And I'm talking about these two big moves. There's a big move here in 03. Let's call it about 18-year difference here. Big move there and a recent big move. Now we can see there were other periods where there were some type of decent moves, but we're not going to be taking a look at those. But you can at your own time take a look and see why this was a desirable period. But what I want to look at in this video is the two main moves. The biggest move since the IPO days in 1992-93 time frame. So this move here and this move. Now it's an educational video, so I'm thinking maybe it might be best if I just consider one of these two breakouts, maybe the most recent one, and you guys can figure out why there was a big move here. Now it's the same minimum requirements, but sometimes it's good to challenge people to figure out for themselves. So if you don't mind, do some homework, figure out why this move was good and why it began moving with a breakout in, let's call it early 2003. There's a breakout here in 2003, or you can even take the next breakout in somewhere here. Actually, this breakout, all right, let me start all over. To be clear, there's a breakout here in late 02. That's the one to consider. And there's another breakout here in the early months of 2003. Both of those were very good breakouts. Okay. And just so I can show you the parameters here, is what we are looking for is what the RSI and MACDs were doing during both of those breakouts. Hope you can see it. It's right there. Okay, but what we're going to do is take a look at the recent breakout as of early 2021. All right, so let's take a look at that. So this is the 3-year monthly chart. It doesn't get any better than this. Well, I guess it can and does. But there's a breakout here in November of 2020. Take a look at your RSI. Take a look at what the RSI does. The RSI moves to 3-year highs. RSI jumps above 69.1. The stock has been above 69.1 since then, since November, and continues to hold above 69.1. Remember, as the RSI is very strong at about 92-ish, we can see as the RSI got stronger, momentum picked up. This way you understand the power of the RSI. And we can see that in that November breakout, not to be left behind, the MACDs also jumped 3-year highs. Now, of course, you know what I'm talking about here. It is the minimum requirements to a T, perfectly illustrated in this example. The ultimate Muathe breakout in its full glory, displayed during the breakout of November. And we can see that the stock has gone on a fantastic run since the minimum requirements were met, breaking out around the $10-ish price range, and has since gone on to do very well. Now remember, it's not the biggest move in the world, but it's done well in the face of many other breakouts failing. But the main takeaway here is to understand why it moved. The ultimate Muathe breakout, and also why it moved in late 02, early 03. And with that, I leave you as I found you. And so it is. E-A-C-S. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love, light, light, love. Namaste.